Hey guys, welcome to Come Around the Hood. Got a customer's car here, thought I'd share it with you. Quick little repair, or found a problem, so I thought I'd share it with you. This is a 1974 Volkswagen Transporter. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, there you go. Oh, there it is. A good old Transporter. We've got a Eurovan, so this is kind of like the generations before, obviously. It's pretty fun little rig here. Oh, it's kind of cute little thing. It's perfect for island life, just buzzing around, pile everybody in. Yeah, what'd you guys think? Pretty fun, huh? Especially when you can just buzz around Lopez, pile your family in, drive around the island all comfortable. There you go. Pretty neat, huh? Nice old one. Okay, the problem we're having is the turn signal switch, which is right here. When you go trying to turn it, both lights come on, it doesn't blink. You can see, I've got the switch all the way out, which was pretty straightforward. There's a screw here and a screw here, and then it takes the whole assembly off, and then this little housing's on. Two flathead screwdrivers, screws, take those off, and then you can get at this assembly here. There's also the flasher unit here, or flasher relays right here. I have tested this one. I had a spare one. It's just a little 3-pin relay. Take it out. These are relatively available. You could always have a spare one of these. That's a little flash unit. The way that I tested to make sure, if I can get this thing back in, the way that I tested to make sure it was okay is hazard switch. Pulled the hazard switch, turned the key on, and it was, well, it's proving me wrong now. It was working a second ago. Hold on, let me check this out. Okay, well, actually, this one is a little funky. So I just replaced it. It's just a little 3-pin relay. You can see I got my new one in here. And now you can turn hazards on. So now you know that the blinker relay's working. Okay, so if you know the blinker relay's working, take this off, take the little housing off, unscrew, undo those two screws, and then you'll see what the problem is here on mine. You can see it's all cracked in there. So, yeah. It's bust, and see that's just cracking, just cracked right there, just with age. So I got a new one of these from CIP1. Not a cheap part, but I'll put the link in below for CIP in case you're looking for this exact part. And then yeah, you'll just be able to click on the link below, and you'll be able to get you one of these. And then the relay, this is the part number for the relay, and let me show you. This is the relay part number. Yeah, and I think the switch is for 73/74. Every time I looked up for 74, it was showing a whole different setup. So anyway, yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if this helps a little bit. What you think of the old Vanagon or Transporter. I guess an early version of the Eurovan, as they call it in the States here. What was it? In the 2000s, they went to the Eurovan instead of a Transporter. But everywhere else, they kept it as a Transporter. I don't know why they did that in the States. Anybody know why they went to Eurovan instead of a Transporter for the mid-2000s or early 2000s ones? Up to 2003, I think, was the last time they sold them in the US. Anyway, I ramble. So hopefully you like the video. I hope you like the van. I'll give you another quick look on the inside here before we leave. And yeah, like and subscribe. If you like these videos, I appreciate it. I'll just keep going. We'll keep giving you some fun videos. So, one last look at the inside. Woo! Let's chug along. The old bus. Thanks, guys. Later. Boop.